Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. My name is Jasmine. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, I invite you to subscribe, and thank you so much for your support and watching another one of my videos. So today I'm going to share with you my haul. Everything came out to free and a little bit of Moneymaker. I'm going to give you an explanation by transaction, and I'm going to explain every item as I purchase them, and then I'm going to be showing you the receipt for each transaction. So the first one, I did purchase the Whole Blends Garnier shampoo or hair care, and also the Cadbury caramel egg. So on the first transaction, in the first item, I purchased two of the Garnier Whole Blend for $4.99. So that total came out to $9.98. I did have a coupon that deducts $4, which expires on Saturday. So I was able to use it today. Since my haul is on early activation, I'm doing my haul on Saturday. But there is a coupon that we're expecting and we're receiving for $3, so you could use that one instead. I also used the CRT that deducts $2.25 off 10 hair care, so that was perfect. So from $9.98, I paid $3.73. I got back 4 ECB, making it free, and 27 cents Moneymaker for this item. And as you can see in the receipt, it is included there. And I was also able to use my beauty club extra bucks, which is ECBs that you do get when you purchase beauty items, and this is considered a beauty item. So instead of me paying $3.98 out of pocket, I was able to only pay 98 cents because I was able to use that beauty ECB out of pocket. So it was free money that came out of that didn't come out from my pocket. So the next item I did get was the Cadbury single chocolate. We all received this CRT, and I was able to use it for this transaction. So I purchased for one. It's on special for 99 cents. I used that ECB. No, I used that CRT that you saw in the picture, so I paid 25 cents. I got back 74 cents ECB, making it free, and 49 cents Moneymaker. So on this transaction, everything came out to $10.97. I paid $3.98, but I got back $4.74 in ECB, making it free, and 76 cents Moneymaker. But if I include that beauty ECB that I was able to pay out of pocket, using that ECB, then my total came out to $3.49 Moneymaker. So that was a pretty good deal. The next transaction, I also purchased, as you can see in the receipt, the Cadbury egg, which I just mentioned how I did that deal, and also the Nexxus. So I'm not gonna go over too much on the Cadbury egg, but on the Nexxus, in this store, they only had one that cost $11.79. So I did purchase the conditioner for $11.79, and also I purchased a regular shampoo for $14.99. So that was a little bit unexpected since they only had one of the good item in the store. So between those two, the total came out to $26.78. I used two coupons deducting $5 each, so in total deducted $10, and that coupon should be expected on a Retail Me Not for this Sunday, March 17. Also, I had a CRT for hair care that deducts $4 when you spend $18 on hair care, on hair products. So that was a good coupon to use as well. So from $26.78, I paid $12.78. I got back 10 ECB, making it $2.78, or just $1.39 for each, which is crazy because before couponing, my mom used to love this shampoo and she used to pay a regular price for it. So just for $1.39 is a really good deal. I also did the Cadbury egg. So for this receipt, everything came out to $27.77. I paid $13.03. I got $10.74 in ECB. So everything came out to $2.29 for everything. For this receipt, as you can see, is another transaction. I just purchased just the Colgate just to test out this CRT to see if it was going to give me any problems. But it went out really smooth. As you can see, it wasn't even done manually. So what I did was I purchased a Colgate Optic White, and we all received this CRT last week that deducted $2.50 for any Colgate Optic White. So I was able to use that CRT, and I also used a coupon that we should be getting on the Smart Stores for this Sunday, March 17, that deducts $2. So from $3.99, it came out to 51 cents Moneymaker. I got $1 ECB, making it $1.51 Moneymaker. But I also purchased, since this was a Moneymaker on its own, I purchased the Cadbury egg and also the gum, the extra polarized gum. that is on special for 99 cents. You don't need any coupons, but you will get a 99 cents ECB, making it free for that item. So everything came out to $5.97 for those 3 items: the Colgate, Cadbury egg, and the gum. I paid 73 cents, as you can see in the receipt. I got back $2.73 in ECB, making it free, and $2 Moneymaker. So here is the gum. In case you haven't seen this deal, this was pretty easy to do, and I wanted to add it on that transaction since it was a Moneymaker, and I really didn't want it to that affect my total or affect if it was going to work or not. As you can see, my total just came out to 73 cents just with those items. So that was a pretty good deal. The last transaction I did was for the Almay. And this one is buy 10 get 4 ECB, and it's a limit of 6. So with these items that I did purchase, I reached a little bit over $20. The price that I was expecting was a little bit less, at least for the single eyeshadow, but in this store the eyeshadows were for $7.29. So what I did was I purchased 2 of the eyeshadow and 1 of the lipstick, so that came out to $18.92. The reason it came out to $18.92, I don't know why it was deducting $3.65, so we asked them to cancel the transaction, do it all over again, and it was deducting $3.65. We didn't know why, so we just continue with that, trying to do it again. So that's how much it was, $18.92. We used 3 coupons, deducting 3 from Smart Source to 24, and that's CRT that deducts 5 off 15. So we paid $4.92, but we got 8 ECB, making it free, and $3.08 Moneymaker. Later on, we understood that it was applying, it was deducting 50% off the second eyeshadow. So it was kind of like going over an older ad. So it gave me, that's why it was deducting the $3.65. So it was like buy 1 get 1 50% off. So keep in mind that this was just an error. It was still applying from last week's ad. But if not, as you can see, even on the right deal that it should be, if you have the right price, it will be free. So in this case, it came out to $3.08 Moneymaker. So my haul for everything for today was $67.28. After all the coupons and ECB, it came out to $3.55 Moneymaker. But if I add that first beauty reward that I used in my first transaction, then everything came out to free, and $6.55 Moneymaker. So I hope you can see that there's so many good deals starting on the new ad. As you can see, I did early activation, and some things were a little bit different there. But I wanted to share with you so you could start getting ready and see that there's good deals. And this was my haul for me to share with you. So I hope you're enjoying your weekend. You're getting ready for the new ad. And thank you so much for your support. You could share this video. If you like it, you could give it a thumbs up. You could subscribe if you're new. And if you have any questions, you could leave them in the comment section. So thank you so much for watching, and until the next video. Bye.